Hi there, and welcome to a deep, calm NSDR meditation. NSDR stands for non-sleep deep rest. It means you don't need to fall asleep. Instead, you are guided into a deep state of healing rest. A place where the body can soften and the mind can find peace. This meditation is about finding safety in the midst of what feels unsettled. It is created for you who feels tension, anxiety, or inner restlessness, maybe without knowing why, maybe because you are carrying something specific. Here, you don't need to analyze anything. You don't need to explain. You don't need to fight. You are simply allowed to be with whatever is here, without trying to making it go away. You will be guided into calm, into the body, into a space where you are allowed to feel without being overtaken. And at the end, you will be gently guided back to wakefulness, clearer, a little more grounded, and perhaps with a bit more space inside. Okay, let's begin. Find a position where you can lie undisturbed. A place where you allow yourself to relax. You don't need to perform. You don't need to do it the right way. You only need to be here and listen. Let the body land. Let gravity take over. Feel how the surface beneath you supports you. How it already holds your whole weight. Now notice your breath. Not to control it. Simply notice that it is here. Air enters and leaves again, like gentle waves moving in and out, without you doing anything. Now bring your attention to the top of your head. To your forehead. To your eyes. Let the muscles here soften. Maybe a slight tenderness around your eyelids. Feel your cheeks. Feel your jaw. And let the tongue rest gently in your mouth. No tension. No control. Let your awareness move down into your neck, your throat, and let the area soften and become more free. Down across both of your shoulders, You can notice how your shoulders begin to sink, and let your attention go all the way into your arms. How your arms and hands are resting, and you can just let go. Now feel your chest, your belly. Maybe you can soften it here. Allow the belly to move freely with your breath. There's nothing you need to hold on to here. Nothing you need to hide. Everything is okay. Feel the upper back of your body. Your shoulder blades. Your spine. Your lower back. Maybe you feel a warmth here, or maybe not. Maybe a simple contact with whatever you are lying on. Let it be exactly as it is. Now shift your awareness to your hips. Let them sink in a little deeper into the surface. Move further down through your thighs, your knees, your lower legs, your feet, feel both feet just as they are. Your whole body lies here, still. There is nothing you need to keep together now. You are allowed to let go, just a little. Your whole body is resting in stillness. And now, if it feels okay, allow yourself to notice whether there is restlessness in the body. Maybe a tension, a pressure, a tightness, a form of unease that doesn't yet have a name. You don't need to change it, and you don't need to understand it. Just notice it and allow it to be here. Anxiety can feel like pressure, like an inner push, like the sense that something is wrong. But you are not wrong. You are not the anxiety. You are the one who notices it. But you are not it. and something in you can stay with it without being swept away. So let us find a safe place in your body, a place that feels a little more settled. Maybe it's your hands, maybe your feet, maybe simply in the feeling of the surface beneath you. Let your attention rest here, as if you are standing on solid ground. Even while something else is moving. Anxiety wants control, but you don't need to obey it. You can feel it without reacting, without running, without pushing it away. You are lying here. You are breathing here. And you are doing well. Allow yourself to remain in the body, even if there is restlessness. It is safe enough now. You are here. And that is enough. Maybe you can say quietly inside yourself, I feel you, and I'm staying. You are allowed to be here, but you don't decide. There is something strong in you that can hold even the difficult things. You are practicing it right now. Being with what is. Without disappearing. Without collapsing. Without fighting. Stay here a little longer. In the body. In the calm. In the safety that you are building. I'll give you 3 minutes to yourself. Okay, now it's time to return. Not quickly, just gently. One small step at a time. Notice your body again. The feeling of contact, of shape, of weight. Feel your hands and feet. Feel the space around you. The temperature of the air. And maybe the sounds you can hear. You have been away, but not away from yourself. You have been home in your body. And now you bring something back with you. A memory of calm. A memory of stillness. A moment of courage. A small place inside you where it felt safe enough. So take a deeper breath. Stretch softly if you wish. You can roll your shoulders and move your fingers and feet. And when you are ready, you can open your eyes again. You are back, but you are not alone, because you are right here with you. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for listening.